I think I want to thank John and all the speakers. It's been absolutely amazing. It's been like probably 50% over my expectations. For so many agents, this is such a lonely business. I think to talk to colleagues and to see other agents' success, it's been a bless. We have learned so much for so many agents that have give us so many different systems that are working for them, and we can see in a really live presentation, talking directly to them, how we can implement those systems to go to the next level. So it's been a blast to be here. I hope John keeps doing this, John Toublaris, and everybody in the organization. So it's been amazing, really over my expectations. Fernando Ferrari was amazing. He touched, moved, and inspired everybody. His personal experience connecting to try to do everything that you can do, even if you fail. Every time you fail, it will get you closer to success. So failure is not something bad, it's something positive, because it will get you closer to achieving the goal. And of course, Pablo and Simon has been amazing for the freedom, and everybody. Carrie as well, organizing and working on the database. I forget the other agent that talk about her personal connections with her hobbies and her personal database, how she transitioned into making them clients because they already trust her. So everything was a little plus on the way that they think to make that mindset successful mindset.
Hey, pause right here and click on the link below, get a free copy of my book so that you can increase your sales, take more listings, and earn more money. Go ahead and do that right now. So please make sure to like, share, and subscribe my channel right now so you can get more great videos like the one you just watched. If you like this video and you'd like to see more, please click right here. Once again, my name is John Toublaris, international speaker, award-winning author, and a real estate sales and mindset coach. Well, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.